Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to make this lovely kiddies Egyptian khimar with a baggy sleeve. Kids within the age range of 7 to 13 or 12 years old, depending on their gown length, can rock this jilbab. So you will learn how to cut and sew this beautiful khimar. You can see these are the ones we made for adults in 4 different designs. But I think we have just 4 different sizes rather. So guys, to shop these jilbabs, if in case you do not know, most of all these jilbabs we do, teach you how to make are available for sale in our store. So to shop these products, you need to check out our wall on Instagram. We are on Instagram as Kin Fashion Limited, and these are some of the products we packaged and delivered to our clients. We are tested and trusted. You can check out our wall and you can send us a message via the WhatsApp link in the description box. And please do remember to follow us on Instagram. Even if you are not in Nigeria, we are in Nigeria and we are located in Kaduna State to be precise. These are some of the hand sleeve or socks that we also packaged and delivered to our clients. We sell them in bulk and retail prices as well. And these are some of our inner caps as well. These are some of our baby turban cap, which are also available for sale. This is how we package our inner cap. In this pack we have 12 pieces, which is a dozen. So if you want to shop any of these products, please do follow us on Instagram and send us a message there, or you send us a message via our WhatsApp link. So these are the requirements we need for this jilbab tutorial. The fabric I have here is on fold. As you can see, I folded it by the amount of fabric I have. The whole fabric here is 54 inches. But if you want to make yours, you need to use 2 yards of fabric. So here I have 54 inches and the fabric is folded by its length. So I'm to cut this side. And I folded each of the piece separately as seen. So the next thing I did was to measure 2.5 inches up here, and down here I measured 4.5 inches, which is the neck depth, and connected the measurements. Sorry, the video is not that clear. It was filmed as early as 6:15 a.m. So the width of the fabric on fold is 14 inches or 14.5. So I measured 2 inches on the side of the fabric. Remember, this is the side. The center there is where I took the neck measurement. So I measured 2 inches all the way down and rule. And then I connected the measurement as seen. So the next thing I did was to take the front of hijab measurement, which I measured 45 inches all through and rule. So ensure to transfer your measurements properly when making yours, and the length varies depending on the gown length of the client you are making the khimar for. So I was about to cut when we had the light out. You would notice there is a change in the background. So remember, I've measured the 45 inches and now I cut only the front fabric, which is the front of the hijab. So the next thing I did was to measure 5 inches to extend the back of hijab. Egyptian khimar, all khimar sef, the back of hijab is usually or always longer than the front of the hijab. So I measured 5 inches all through. You can make it 5.5 or 6 inches. And I think what I measured was 5.5. Yes, 5.5. And then I connected the front of hijab to back of hijab as seen. Take note of where I connected. I connected it to the point where the 2 inches started. Please take note of that. And then on the 2 inches line, I measured 13 inches. And extended the measurement out to the tip of the fabric. So at the point where the 13 inches stopped, I measured 9 inches and rule it out as well. And then I make a curve to connect the two measurements. I'm not supposed to make this curve I made here, but I'll be correcting that right now. So I connected the neck measurement to the arm measurements as seen, and then I corrected the curve I made. I was supposed to connect it to this shoulder line. So it's been corrected. The next thing I did was to cut out the measurement. Remember, when cutting the neckline measurement, you have to cut only the front fabric, but every other part of the jilbab should be cut all together, and this is what you have. So this fabric here is what I use for the band. I didn't even notice the video was not clear here, but what I measured is 5 inches on fold and the length of the band was 9 inches. So I used this fabric which I cut out from the front of the hijab for the tie back rope, which is 14.5 inches long. As you can see, the fabric is on fold. And down here for the length of the width of the tie back, I measured 4 inches. While the extended part which will be attached to the hijab, I measured 4.5 inches. So on the side here, which is the tip of the tie back rope, I measured 2 inches and connected it to the 4.5 inches I measured. If you are new here, thank you for watching our video. Do remember to subscribe. Do remember to give this video a thumbs up. And do check back every Saturday for new tutorial. To our old subscribers, thank you so much for checking back every week for new tutorial. To sew the jilbab, the first thing I did was to turn the back of hijab to the right side as seen. And then I placed the right side of the front of hijab over the right side of the back of hijab. Remember to tilt the front of hijab upward a bit before running your seam. So I repeated the same thing for the other side as well. And this is what I have after doing that. So we are done and this is what we have. So now the next thing to do is to attach the band to the sleeve. So what I need to do now, because the fabric here is losing, I went to do weaving, to weave the tip as seen before making the seam, which I did the same thing for the other side as well. This is not compulsory, but then it's just one of the tips to having a good work and a good finishing. Remember to shop your jilbab from us. We deliver nationwide and within and outside Nigeria as well. The price range for our khimar is within 5,000. The least you can get is 5,000 naira upwards. So I made a top stitch as seen. This is necessary to make your work beautiful. And this is what we have after doing the top stitch. The next thing I did was to hem the down part of the hijab, both the front and the back. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and please watch the art displayed on your screen. Do leave a comment also. So this is what we have after doing that. The next thing I did was to sew the tie back rope, which I folded it right side facing in and stitch each side. If you are new here, do remember to subscribe and leave your bell notification icon on to be notified when we have new tutorial for you. To our old subscribers, thank you for checking back weekly for new tutorial. Do remember to leave a comment, share this video with your friends and loved ones as well. And do remember to watch the art displayed on your screen. These are the ways you can support this channel. So I turned the tie back rope to the right side and now I'm about to fix it to the face circumference. I notched the center part of the back of hijab just so I can get the center and fix the tie back rope neatly. So this is what we have after fixing it. The next thing to do now is to hem the remaining part as seen, which I folded it this way and run the stitches all through. And this is what I have after doing that. The next thing to do now is to fix the ribbon on the band. So this is what I'm using. You can see it's very beautiful. I love the glitter personally. This is the wrong side of this ribbon, while this is the right side. Remember, this is the right side of the hijab facing me. So I place the wrong side of the ribbon over the right side of the jilbab as seen. And I made the stitch. Ensure you place the ribbon over the seam you made. So you are to sew each side of this ribbon at the tip. Ensure you do not run your seam on the ribbon, maybe at the center. It should be at the tip on both sides. Do remember to like this video and leave a comment. I love to see you guys comment on our videos. And remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Also remember to watch the art displayed on your screen. So guys, we are done with the first side. And this is what we have right here. It's giving. So the next thing to do now is to sew the other side now at the tip also. As you can see, we neatly placed the ribbon and it covered the seam we made initially on the band. You can send us a picture of yours when you make it via the WhatsApp link in the description box. Also, if you want to make it for an elderly person, we have tutorial for this type of jilbab, but not this exact style, in the description box. Do check it there. We'll be leaving the link there in the description box. So this is what we have for both band. It's very beautiful. The next thing to do now is to join the sides of the hijab. Maintain ½ inches all through. Do remember to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our channel, this channel Kinso, and subscribe to You Can Sew YouTube channel as well. If you want to learn how to make all those inner cap, baby turban cap also that I posted, that I showed you guys among our products, in the beginning of this video, do ensure to subscribe to You Can Sew YouTube channel. That is where we upload such tutorials. So I cut the bends like this, just so the shape can come out neatly when we turn the hijab to the right side. So ensure the cut you are making does not touch the seam you have there. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial, and this is the beauty we made. So remember to check our Instagram page or send us a message on WhatsApp to shop any of our jilbab or any of our products you might be interested in. Do remember to check back weekly for new tutorial, and do remember to watch the art displayed on your screen. Like this video, leave a comment and share it with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for watching.